y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my latest purchase from Coach. So this video will be broken up into two parts because I got two bags and I really just want to do a full video on each bag and also share, of course, what fits and what's inside without being too long. So this video will be my newest everyday bag, and then I'll have my new work bag up on the channel probably tomorrow, I'm not going to lie, and I'll go over that bag. So let's go ahead and open it up and show y'all. All right, y'all, so I have been on the hunt for two different bags, and I was just so excited that I found two bags that I absolutely love. And of course they kind of like go together because that's how I shop, everything always matches. But this is going to be my new everyday handbag. So I really wanted something that was cute, that could be dressed up or down, but still kind of a little bit different, I guess you can say. And when I walked into Coach, I saw this bag and I instantly picked it up because I just thought it was absolutely perfect. So this is the Lillie Carryall in color block. So you have like a whitish, they call it chalk, so like a off-white with like a tan, and then there's black, and you can carry it on your shoulder as well as crossbody because it has a black chain, which y'all, I just thought this was so perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. I've been looking up and down like through so many designers, like designer as well as contemporary designer, and then I was on my way home from getting my name changed because I recently got married and haven't got my name changed, and I just stopped by the outlet mall and I was like, well, I had to go to IKEA, which is across the street, and then I was like, you know what, I'll swing by the outlet mall and see what they have. And y'all, I found two bags that I'm just in love with and obsessed with. So not only does this bag just have like the cutest colorway, so you have again that beige, you have the off-white, you have the black. I love how the middle has the black. You have three different compartments. This one has a slit. You have the little tag that all the little Coach bags have. But you have the little slit, and then a big compartment to lock away items. And then you also have another pocket over here with a zip, and it's like a full zip. And then you have your external pocket. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I love when bags have an external pocket because I like just keeping my phone in there, and essentially only my phone or things that I need immediately. So when I saw that I had this, like I saw this from afar and I was like, oh, that's really cute. And then I like took a look at it and I was like, I love the structure, I love everything about it. And then I saw the back pocket and I was like, that's literally like the ideal bag that I was looking for. I was looking at a, oh, and sorry guys, all over the place. And it has like the cutest gold feet, and that's something that I'm starting to, with my leather bags, want to have on each bag just so that it preserves them. But I love it. I was looking at a Prada bag that was pretty similar, but I don't know, I just didn't love the style. And I think what really drew me to this bag is the colorway, just because I have solid color bags. Like I only have my my bag that I purchased before this was a Marc Jacobs, and that's the only one that has like a different color block. And so when I saw this colorway, I was like, oh, I could wear this so many different ways. This would look so good, like up or down, happy hour, shopping, like, you know, you name it. And the size was perfect because it's like a good medium-sized bag, and you know, I'm in love with it. So I was really excited to share this, and that's another reason why I wanted to split this video up into two parts, because I'm also like obsessed with the new bag that I got for work, and I really wanted to like go in depth and show y'all how I'm going to be using it and how I'm going to set it up. So this is the bag. Dimension wise, it is 12 3/4 in length, and then I'm sorry, yeah, no, sorry, length. Sorry guys, I've had the week off, so my brain's been like everywhere. So 12 3/4 in length, and then 8 3/4 in height, and then it's a 5 1/4 in width. and it just looks like the bag that you can carry everything in, and I think that's why they call it the carry-all. But it's just, y'all, it's absolutely perfect. And I love Coach, so I think if y'all saw my Vlogmas videos, I got a Michael Kors bag in December, and I feel like the quality has really gone down. And I remember, like, I quickly switched from like Michael Kors to Tory Burch pretty like fast, because I think I just like the leather material in Tory better than Michael. And then with Coach, I've always loved Coach leather, but lately I just feel like they've like upped their game, because I know like all the Coach bags that I still have, my mom still has, still look great. But when I saw like the leather on this bag, because I love my leather bags, I feel like they're classic, and I feel like, you know, this is a bag that it's timeless, right? Like, it's not too trendy, but it's still cute, and I feel like you can make it work with so many outfits. But when I saw this bag, I was like, this is honestly the perfect bag, because I feel like it's very timeless. It can go with anything. It can be dressed up or down. Like, I can just take this, carry everything in it, and I know it's gonna last a while because I love Coach leather. So I'm very excited that I found this. So yeah, that is dimensions, overview, how everything looks. And let's take the price tag off, because there's no way I'm returning this. And then I do want to share what fits inside. So I do have all of my SLGs with me, and then I do want to share like a few other things, like my iPad, because it looks like it can fit an iPad. So we'll see. But yeah, I figured we would just play around. So I have my sunglasses, which also match the bag like perfectly. And as y'all know, this is probably like my like go-to colorway. So I'll probably put those here and put them in this way. And then I have my wallet, which is a Chanel card holder. And that's something that I always put in the middle. The one thing is there's no pockets in the middle, which I kind of would have liked, but I get like they have pockets like on the sides. But yeah, we'll put that in the middle. I also have my Gucci medium cosmetic case that's stuffed. And I think I'll put this in the middle as well, just for like weight distribution, because that's like the heaviest thing that we're gonna put in there. And then I have my Louis Vuitton PM agenda, which is my on-the-go planner. So probably just put this over here. And then I have a few other items. So I have my car keys on the 6 key ring holder from Louis Vuitton. And then I can just put this in the pocket. Actually, let's put this over here just so it's easily accessible. Card holder with all of my additional like store cards. I have old business cards that I now need to throw away because it's from my old job. But like all of my store credit cards, like reward cards, things like that. We'll throw that in the middle. And then what else do we have? I have my Gucci key pouch, which is my now AirPods holder, so I can use them both, but also so I don't lose them, and that way I know where they're at. So I'll put that over here. And then that's everything that is in my bag. So that's everything that I generally carry, and I know it's always the same stuff, but like that's always what I carry. So it fits everything. There's still room to include more, and everything closes, it looks like. It looks like the planner might be a little bit in the way, but nope, it closes. And it closes. So everything fits perfectly. There's still room. Again, I would put my phone in the back pocket just so I can easily find it and grab it. And that's just also, I like having the back pockets because I'll lose my phone if it's not there. And a lot of times what I'll do too, especially if I'm running like a quick errand, is I'll just throw my keys back here too, so that way I can quickly find them and grab them. So again, these are just personal preferences, but yeah, that is my new everyday bag. And y'all, again, just absolutely love it. Love how you can style it up or down. Obsessed with the colorways and just how it looks. And the price point was amazing. So Retail is $428. It was 60% off when I bought it, so it was $171.20. So for me, I think, you know, that's a great price range for like a nice leather bag. And y'all, I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, other than that, that is the Lillie Carryall in the color block, and that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.